Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm showing you this head unit that I got from Bimmers.parts, and it's very easy to set up, and it has on the side power, a plug for a camera, USB, storage, and even AUX. So it comes with power, auxiliary cable, and a little visor for the sun, as well as the mount. So if we go over to my old E36 M3 and we hook it up, all you got to do is push it onto the glass and then tighten it in the position that you want it, adjust it, and then really all you have to do is just connect power and an audio outsource. So I chose to go with AUX, but you could probably use radio or Bluetooth or something else. And that's all I really had to do. I turned the car on, it came on, connected Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to my phone, and the audio is going through AUX to my car. So it sounds great, it looks great, it performs great, and it's actually incredibly sharp, so I really like it. Use my code, get 10% off, and try it out for yourself.